Greetings, internet friends. Welcome to another episode of Dabbling with Dan. Today, Dan is going to be dabbling and replacing the light bulbs in my dome lights in my 2004 Ford F-150 Lariat, which I bought at an auction. And they've never worked since I've had it. Took me a little time to figure it out. I thought I'd make a video to help you do it quickly. So come on in here and let me show you how this is done. You can see that they're not working. In my model, you have this compartment where you can put sunglasses, and there's two tabs. Push down to pull. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and what you want to do is kind of get up underneath and then just pull down on either side, because you have these four tabs. Here are the light bulbs. Oh, it's still attached. And I went down to the local auto store and bought me some replacements. Just go ahead and put the light bulb in there, give it a twist, and I'm going to curious if it works. Yes, one down, one to go. Again, I'll take the bulb out by just turning it counterclockwise just a smidgen. Look at the new bulb. We'll put it in, turn it in there. See if it works. Yes. Okay, now to put this thing back in, like I said, you got four tabs. Here's two, the front two. Here's the two slots that go in here and there. Just want to line them up. And then once you get it, I get a little tap. That's in. I'll double check to make sure they work. Oh my goodness. Okay, now you just take this unit and I'm going to just push it back up here until it clips in, give it a tug just to make sure it is up there. And that's all you have to do. Love this. Bulbs cost 10 bucks. Thanks for joining me. See y'all later. Bye.